Dr. Mazumdar asks if you could explain your view about the long-term capital gains tax on equities and the need to act.
Uh, the Prime Minister, about 3 4 weeks back, pointed or hinted that the participants in the equity market or participants in the market will should be paying more taxes. And what the market actually took a hint was that, we all understand that the capital gain, the only asset which is exempt from any tax is equity if you hold it for 1 year. The STT, the securities transaction tax, is very low, virtually tending to be nothing. So everybody took a hint that maybe at the coming budget, the capital gains tax might be introduced. Then the finance minister clarified that that is not the intention, and he said it in a reasonably vague way. But that looks unlikely, or or that was not on his mind. Uh, but still, this clearly looks that what actually it creates is, uh, if there is some possibility, then why take a chance? A lot of investors have bought into equity or bond, equity or equity funds over a period of time. They are sitting on huge capital gains. There are three possibilities. One is that nothing happens, so you don't have to do anything. But there is a possibility that there could be a capital gains clamped on, or what will happen is that you have to hold equity. The period can go up from 1 year to 3 years. That is also logical and understandable. That I don't think one can say that 1 year holding period is reasonably long term. It is not long term. So you should have a long term view anyway when buying into stocks, buying equity. Uh, but assuming that there is, then the third possibility is that equity becomes taxable with indexation, which means all your past capital gains will also become taxable. Why take a chance? You are at no disadvantage by realizing all your gains and investing your money again. If you are able to do that, you will be completely able to de-risk yourself. It is legitimate. It is not tax avoidance. It is tax planning. You are preempting yourself. The worst case scenario is that you will be, if you are a long-term investor, you will keep holding your equity from here on, and it will become tax-free again for after a holding of 12 months, if nothing changes. So that was the whole idea why what I was saying, that investors who are sitting on big gains accumulated over a period of time, they should realize it to de-risk themselves.